are looking at is a Supreme Court and a state legislature that fundamentally together likes to disenfranchise voters in North Carolina. They have a history of it that is decades long in this state. And if you haven't been paying attention, and you are right now, you need to understand that this history is what we're looking at today. I say this because even through these attacks from Republicans on the voters in North Carolina, Justice Allison Riggs still holds this seat by 733 votes, everybody. The statewide recount confirmed what North Carolinians already know, that Justice Riggs won her seat and will keep her spot on the North Carolina Supreme Court. But if you don't believe right now that Republicans will do everything they can to strip this win from us, you haven't been paying attention again to history in the state of North Carolina. North Carolina is a 50-50 state. We're known for having split tickets. I can admit that the Republicans won the presidential election in 5 of these Council of State races. But I can also admit that our party won the other 5 Council of State races, including the governor's office. That's not hard for me to admit, because that's the reality and that is the truth of this. Now, Jefferson Griffin needs to admit his truth. He lost the Supreme Court race to Justice Allison Riggs. And we are looking to count every single vote in this election, and they are not. Instead of challenging 60,000 voters with baseless claims, Jefferson Griffin needs to do the right and honorable thing and concede now. What's happening in North Carolina is sinister. And it will have a chilling effect on our democracy and our country if they're able to get away with what they're trying to achieve. So I'm begging every single person in the state of North Carolina, pay attention, wake up, and make sure that you understand what's happening before your eyes right now, and check and make sure that you're not one of the 60,000 that they're not respecting in this election cycle.